Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie, and hi to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for clicking that button and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Also, if you can, leave me a comment down below letting me know what video was the video that you enjoyed watching that made you subscribe to my channel, just so I know that you enjoy those type of videos, and those are some videos that I should take in consideration that you guys want to see. So I would really appreciate that if you can. So today, as you can see, I have no highlight, no shimmer shade, no inner corner highlight, nothing, guys. Not even on the brow bone, nothing. Like I said, not even a highlight. This is a full face matte makeup look, and I love it. So if you guys want to see how I came up with it, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have my brows filled in. You guys know that I'm all about saving us some time, and that for me is the brows. So I already went on and filled them in. And now I'm going to go in, nope, not the eyes. I'm going to go and jump right into the face today. Yes, shocking. So I'm actually going to spray my face a little bit with the Mario Badescu. I feel like my face is a little bit dry. Whew. I love this stuff. Love this stuff so much. Alright, so now that we have a little bit of hydration, because, you don't want to apply makeup like foundation and stuff on dry skin. You want to have a little bit of moisture so the foundation and all that good stuff doesn't stick to those dry patches and stuff, but you guys already know that. So for today, I'm going to go with this right here, and this is the Jaclyn primer. I've used this. I'm almost actually halfway done with it. I'm gonna actually pick up another one, but I believe they only sell this online at Ulta. So if you haven't tried it and you're looking for like a hydrating primer that's very inexpensive, try that one. It's really good. I like it a lot, actually. Alright guys, so now for foundation, I'm going to go in with this one right here. This is one of my favorites. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and I am in the shade Sun Beige. And I'm going to grab my Real Techniques sponge, and I'm just going to put like 2 pumps on that, and then just blend it all over. Alright guys, so moving on to concealer, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Medium Beige. To contour my face today, I'm going to go in with this one from Covergirl. This is in the shade Deep, and this is the True Blend Fix Stick Concealer. Today, to set my under eye, I'm going to go in with this one from Rimmel. This is the Stay Matte Powder. Alright, so now to set my contour, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Master Bronze palette, and I absolutely love this palette, you guys. So good. I've mentioned it so many times in my videos. And the reason why I'm patting it and not like blending it is because that stick concealer is super thick. Like, you feel it. It's kind of waxy. that I don't want to have like patches or anything on the area where I applied it. So that's why I am tapping the powder rather than just blending it, because if I do that, I'm definitely going to have patches. So in case you guys were wondering. Alright guys, so for today's eye look, I'm going to go in and use nothing but matte shades. I'm going to use a lot of matte browns, and you don't need to use the same ones that I do. Any matte browns will do, and I'm just going to show you the one I'm using. So I'm going to go on with this one right here, and that is the first shade I'm going to use. This is the Tapered Blending Brush by Sigma, and this is the E40. I'm just going to grab that and apply that onto my crease. Alright, now for the next shade, I'm going to go in with this one right here. And I'm using the same brush, you guys, and applying that right over and blending that into the inner corner, just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer and a brush, and I'm just going to cut the crease a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to grab a shade like this. It's something matte, and I'm just going to apply that on the area that I applied the concealer. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with this shade right here. It's the first shade that we started off with, and I'm grabbing this Sigma Small Tapered Blending Brush. This is an E25. And I'm just going to grab that and apply some more right here on the outer corner. And also stick it into the socket and blend it in. Actually, you know what? I'm going to switch brushes, because there's this one brush that I love that actually goes right into the socket and blends it out so nicely. I think it's this one. I'm going to use this one right here. So this is the Morphe M507. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with these two shades right here, the two matte browns that I went in with in the beginning. Grab a pencil brush like this and just smudge the shades underneath on the lower lash line. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of brown eyeliner. I'm not going to apply any eyeliner, any black eyeliner or anything like that, but I am going to take my MAC 263 brush, and I'm going to go in with this dark brown right here, and I'm just going to grab that shade with the brush, and I'm just going to wing out a little bit with that shade. Alright, so as you can see, using that eyeshadow as a liner, it just adds something to the look. It's so simple, but it's just, you know, it looks like you tried, but it's so easy, as you can see. Like, I mean, I just love that easy step right there. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to add a little bit of blush. And for blush, I'm just going to go in with this Tarte palette right here. This was limited edition, but I'm sure they sell these individually, or you guys have similar shades to this. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here and this shade right here. They're both rosy mauve shades, so anything like that would work really nicely. And they're matte, they're not shimmer or anything, shimmer blushes. They're just matte blushes. A little bit on the tip of my nose. I'm not going to apply any lashes today, but if you guys want to apply lashes to this look, you guys obviously can, but I'm not. I'm just going to go in with an eyelash curler and just curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm going to go in with this one from Essence. This is the Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension. Alright, so now for lips, I'm going to go in with my MAC Lip Liner in Whirl. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lip Color in the shade Driver. Now to finish off the look, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. And I'm just going to set my face, and that is it. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this full face matte makeup look right here. This is something I don't do very often on my channel, but I do love matte looks like this. So if you did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!